Here we have a 52-inch Heritage Alexis ceiling fan in white. This is in here in the packing room of the abandoned ceramic shop, along with the old Bahama. This one has a really bent blade. Actually, one of the blades is loose. This one. Probably tighten that up, but it's whatever. This was... Oh, sorry for being all the way zoomed in, but let me get the step ladder out here. It's reversible to just plain blades. Yeah, you can see this blade's missing a screw, and that screw's coming loose. And you can see the blades are sagging a little bit too, because it's a Heritage. This fan was seized for like 10 years. This fan spent most of its life without its blades, locked up solid, from what I remember being a little kid. I revived this a few years ago. It runs horrible, but still works. So here is low. I mean, the motor runs fine. The bearings are a little bit loud. It's just that the blade makes a lot of noise, the loose blade, especially on medium and high. Motor's pretty quiet. It's certainly not as loud as that old thing. Medium. Thing of course wobbles because of the bent blade. Not really making that noise that it did, and then reverse. Alrighty, thank you for watching.